Hey, Truth Seekers, welcome back. Zach here. It's September 21st, 2016. A lot of people are writing me and asking me if I've heard about this public service announcement on AM 1630, apparently in the New Jersey, New York area. What I'm going to do is play a little bit of this clip. Somebody recorded the emergency broadcast, and then I'm going to show you why this was played on this station and what it might be foreshadowing. Let's listen carefully. Here it is, Truth Seeker.
From April 26th, 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 from April.
What is this?
From April.
I'm around Newark Airport on the New Jersey Turnpike,
From April 26th.
78 extension.
From April 26th. 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 From April 26th.
All right, so it sounds to me like it's saying Trump, April 26th. Notice it was on the station AM 1630. The reason it was played on that station is because of the significance of the number. 1630, drop the zero from the end, you're at 163. Donald Trump all year has been going around with the hat that says Make America Great Again. There's bumper stickers. That phrase has the gematria of 163, just like the current sitting president Barack Hussein Obama. 163 is the 38th number, a number often connected to death. In Obama's case, he ran on hope and change. Change also equals 38. Barack Hussein Obama, 163, the 38th prime. With regards to April 26th, this year it was a leap year. That was the 117th day of the year, April 26th was. 117's been this number connected to Donald Trump all year that they've coded next to his name. Central Intelligence Agency equals 117. The CIA very much runs the propaganda in this nation, runs the presidential office. Donald Trump, a CIA stooge, doing his part to stir up the nation. You know, dividing us over race, religion, sexuality. Donald Trump's had something negative to say about every single group of people in this nation except for ignorant white men who he said he loves. This upcoming April 26th, we're going to have a new president by April 26th this coming year. It's either going to be Hillary Clinton or Donald Trump in our two-party controlled system. The date of April 26, 2017, an interesting date in numerology this year. Date was 67 numerology. Freemasonry equals 67. Blood sacrifice equals 67. When Hillary Clinton announced her campaign, she was 67 years old. The word female in Jewish gematria equals 67. International Women's Day is March 8th, the 67th day of the year. It's also a date with 40 numerology. United States equals 40. Hillary equals 40. It's also a date with 47 numerology, April 26th upcoming. The word president equals 47. The word authority equals 47. There's only two states with 47 gematria, Ohio and Nevada. That's where the Republican Party and Democratic Party had their first presidential debates, fitting by the numbers. This news announcement that we just listened to was played yesterday, September 20th. From that date to April 26th is 148 days. Donald J. Trump, the name that he uses as an author on his books, in gematria sums to 148. Interesting that from the date of that announcement to April 26th is 148 days. Hopefully what the announcement isn't saying is that Donald Trump really is to be our next president. If he's to be our next president, you know, it's going to be all about this continued divisive agenda, tearing apart the nation. At the same time, nobody wants Hillary to be president either. But what I can tell you for sure is the reason that was played on 16:30 a.m. has everything to do with the hat Donald Trump's been wearing and the rigged election by the numbers. Remember, the same people who control your media, television, radio, they're the same people who control your government and these rigged elections, and they do it all by the numbers. The Zionist Jews practice Kabbalah. Kabbalah is all about numbers, numerology, gematria, the practice of coding numbers into words. That's what it's all about, Truth Seeker. Until next time.